Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer money on Bank of America. The first thing I want you to do is log into the app. Once you're logged in, come to the bottom navigation bar, click on Pay and Transfer, okay? And then click here on Transfer. Now what I want you to do is choose the account from which you want to do the transfer. So click on here and then choose the account. You'll have all of these listed. Choose the one you want and then choose to which account you're doing the transfer. Come here and just pick it up, and then you just enter the amount. So let's see, $100. You enter it in the keypad, tap here on done, and you can choose a date as well when you want it to be done. You can do it immediately or you can do it at a later date. Click here on done once you've set it up, and then tap here on next. Just review your transfer, make sure everything is correct. You can edit it at this point, but after this you just click on transfer and your transfer will be scheduled, and you also get your confirmation number here as well. You can just tap on done now. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.